Mummy being angry.
Okay, this is our last woolly wagtail. We had 3 in the nest. 2 have
Gone
flown
on
the
fence,
coop.
look.
You can see them just over there on the fence with their mum. Meanwhile, his dad up here, and he's not very happy about me being here. Anyway, what's this guy? He wants to fly.
Mum's coming.
The others got out. The others flew off
Behind you.
2 days ago.
But they're right there on the fence.
Oh, is that mum and dad both there?
Yeah.
Oh, mum and dad, sorry. And there's the kids over there. Look at them. They're starting to wag their tails.
Look out behind you, hon. Incoming.
Yeah, she won't hurt me. Oh, that's so cool.
Look out.
That's so cool.
And there's no baby bird up here.
Sorry about the sun. Oh, choo 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 choo. They're beautiful birds. And here's the little kid up here.
We called it Sam. Doesn't want to leave the nest.
Yeah, we're going to call it Sam. I don't even know if I can see it now because I can't even see my phone.
We'll come this way, hon.
Where is the bloody nest? Is that the nest? Where's the nest? Oh, there it is. Is that it?
Hon, come this way.
Oh, yes.
Sun's there.
I didn't have it. Yeah, hold on. I was just... I couldn't see the TV screen. The camera screen. She's so scared. She's been fluttering her wings and she's just about... I thought she was going to... Oh, look, there's Mum and Dad. Oh, Mum. Dad flew off. I knew it happening. Oh, my God.
Right,
I've got to stop because I've got no...
He's got little things on his eyes.